Okay, so Michael, question. Right?
Yes.
Question is, as you go through some of these host shops and go into other people's shops, what do you personally look at to kind of take away from the shop to help yourself out, help your own shop? What do you look at?
I take away the way they use their facility for efficiently, like what's the layout like, where they keep certain equipment. I mean, how easy and accessible the equipment is, and how efficiently their techs can move around the shop and be able to do their job efficiently.
Okay, anything particular like district you're looking out for? Like you want to do
Um,
at your own shop?
yeah, I mean, just the way they place their equipment out of the way up against the wall makes the aisleways more efficiently. Um, they get around the cars and things like that, for sure.
Okay, have you found anything yet?
A few things.
You're just taking notes.
Just taking notes right
That's
now.
just what we do. We take notes.